What I have here is the front right passenger side of the vehicle. And you can see here, this has been proper if the vehicle never had been crashed. But if it would have been restored a lot better than what we have here, it will down sort of like, you know, downward angle where that could be more straight, you know, across, you know. And I'll show you on the other side. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know how. Hey, good afternoon. This is Matthew here with Encore Automotive. Keeping my word as promised, giving you a follow-up video on the Volkswagen Jetta. It was a 2007 with a 2.5 liter engine. We were hired originally to do the AC line and evacuate it and recharge it, but there was an issue with the frame, and we had to get Mr. Ricky here. Say what's up, Ricky.
Yeah, what's up, brother?
There we go, there we go, there we go. Got Ricky to do this lovely, magnificent work here. And if you can remember the first video, matter of fact, subscribe now and go down and look at the last video we made about this section of the vehicle right here. And you can see, you'll see firsthand what it looked like then, and what in the bottom and everything. Remember, the bottom had a dimple. There's no more dimple now. Dimple has been correctly removed, and now it's been fully restored, and it resembles now symmetry, as the other side looks highly similar, if not exactly the same. This side here was untouched, but we see Mr. Ricky had to remove everything, whole radiator support, radiator and everything, and now he's finishing up and getting the job done. But I'm gonna bring it over here one more time so y'all can see this and y'all can compare it to the last video that we made about this vehicle and see how perfect.
This plane, I got it and I take it off the plane, I pull it out, straighten it out.
Yep, I got the pictures, man. I wish I'd have been available to do a video with you, but like I said, we're two business owners, so we are running businesses, so we don't have a lot of time to always bring this content. But my goal is to get the content to you. I'm gonna encourage Ricky to be Ricky gonna be bringing
the doctor for cars.
Yeah. So y'all check us out, and y'all go back and check the other video out and subscribe. Appreciate it, y'all. Y'all have a good one.
Okay.
Bye bye.